Hey everyone, welcome back to Wireless Solutions, where iPhone tips and features are explained clearly and simply. This guide will show you how to log into Cloud Email on an iPhone, so you can send and receive emails directly from your device using your iCloud account. Here's what we will cover. Setting up iCloud Mail for the first time. Enabling iCloud Mail on your iPhone. Creating a new iCloud email address if needed. Let us get started. Step 1. Open iPhone Settings. To begin, open the Settings app from your home screen. At the very top of the screen, tap on your Apple ID profile. This is where your account and iCloud settings are located. Once inside, tap iCloud. Step number 2. Enable iCloud Mail. Inside the iCloud menu, look for iCloud Mail. Tap on iCloud Mail. You will see a toggle labeled Use on this iPhone. Turn this toggle on. If iCloud Mail has not been set up before, you will be prompted to create a free iCloud.com email address or use a custom email domain. Step number 3. Create your iCloud email address if needed. If prompted, tap Create to set up a new iCloud email address. Enter your desired email name and follow the on-screen instructions. Tap Next and complete the setup process. Once finished, your iCloud Mail will be active, and you'll be successfully logged in on your iPhone. And that's it. That is how to log into iCloud email on an iPhone. And hey, for disclaimer purposes, this video by Wireless Solutions is meant to help and inform you. All stuff shown use safe and publicly available features of iPhone devices, iOS, and trusted services. Since every iPhone and software version can be a little different, your experience may vary. Take your time. Explore the settings carefully and make changes only if you are comfortable. We are here to guide you every step of the way. And again, that's it. If this video helped you out, give it a thumbs up and share it with a friend. And please don't forget to subscribe and like our videos for more quick iPhone tutorials. Thank you so much for watching, and we